All right, drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Moving on both sides of the field. T3 going and miss another note. Let's see if 8750 can try to do the same thing on the red side. See if they can pick one up. T3 going for one more note, just knocking it aside. Looks like red might be up at the end of the autonomous period, just by 1 point though. Blue's got plenty of time to catch up. 8818 got a note, immediately trying to score that. 7312 picking up some of those notes they missed in auto. Their alliance partners 2585 lining up on that amp. While on the red side, 8818 Fofo Engineering Group dropping a note in that amp. Impact trying to match them. 7691 trying to shoot some notes into that speaker, trying to close that gap. 7312 dropping another note in the Blue Alliance speaker, picking up one from the midline. Seeing some tough hits here in the middle of the field. 8750 trying to slow down that Blue Alliance. 5052 dropping a note. Looks like 2585, their alliance partners, about to do the same. Both sides have pressed that cooperation button that'll help them in the rankings later. Lots of motion here on the Red Alliance. 7691 coming back with that note, but 5052 trying to slow them down. 8818 coming back with a note, trying to score on that amp. 7691 makes a shot on the speaker. Everybody over here on the red side trying to shuffle those notes over. 5052 coming back with a note. Their alliance partners Impact 2585 dropping a note in that speaker. 7312 trying to do the same. Back on the red side, 7691 lining up to make a shot. And they score. 5052 lining up to make that shot at their alliance partners. 8750 still trying to slow down that tomball machine, but they just slip past them. Looks like 8818 maybe took a hard hit, take a little nap over here. We'll see if when they wake up. That Red Alliance is amplified as they try to close that gap. That means those notes are going to be worth 5 points instead of the normal 2. The amplification period is over, but we'll see if they get any use out of it. That sound means team's going to start throwing those high notes. Seeing some flags wave over here on the red side of the field. We'll see what those mean at the end of the match. Got one spotlit. Looks like we're going to see 2 teams trying to climb on one chain here on the blue side. That's what they call a harmony. We'll see if they can get it up. 7312 up for the blue. 2 park, maybe, we'll see. And while there are 2 robots up for the red, that was a good match. We'll see our scores in a few moments. Hearing that tomball pride behind me. Gotta love that gracious professionalism.